Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ashwini Garg. Today I discuss with you the topic of class 12, subject is business studies, and our today topic is testing of management as a science. Before testing of management as a science, firstly I explain with you about the science. Science refers to a systemized body of knowledge that explain certain जनरल ट्रूथ. साइंस अपने आप में एक सिस्टमाइज बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज है. मीन्स एवरी वर्क विल बी परफॉर्म इन अ सिस्टमेटिक वे ऑफ नॉलेज दैट एक्सप्लेन सर्टेन जनरल ट्रूथ. जो भी नॉलेज है उसके बेस पर वर्क करेंगे और वो हमेशा जनरल ट्रूथ पर बेस करता है. As well as we can say that science refers to a systemized body of knowledge which is acquired on the basis of observation, experimentation and verification of this knowledge is possible. Means in science we acquire various type of the knowledge on the basis of observation. Anything we observe we acquire come into the science. After observation we will make experiment research on the various type of the observation, and after that we will verify such type of the observation experiment that it is truth or not. So science refers to a systematic body of knowledge that explain certain general truth. For example, a particular person taken admission in a engineering college for completion is BTech. For completion of the study of engineering, he take admission in the BTech college. So at the time of the completion of the particular education in 4 years, he will acquire the theoretical knowledge. Then it is science. When a particular student, particular person take admission in a particular engineering college, after that he will acquire the theoretical knowledge, not the practical work, only the theoretical knowledge, then it is known as the science. So it is the science. Science refers to that systematic body of knowledge which is acquired on the basis of observation, experiment and verification of this knowledge is possible. Now testing of management as a science means our next part is that testing of management as a science. अगर हमें मैनेजमेंट को टेस्टिंग करना है एज अ साइंस तो उस केस में हम 3 टाइप से टेस्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन हमारा बनेगा सिस्टमाइज्ड बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज. सेकेंड वन बनेगा हमारा प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. थर्ड वन बनेगा यूनिवर्सल वैलिडिटी. On the basis of the 3 features of the science, we can test that management is science or not. On the basis of the first feature, we cannot say that the management is a science. On the basis of the second feature, we cannot say that the management is a science. And on the basis of the third feature, we cannot say that the management is a science. But after the testing of the complete, we can conclude that the management is a science or not. On the basis of the first feature, after the explanation, management is science because management and science both are systematic body of knowledge. On the basis of the second feature, we can say, but on the basis of third feature, we cannot say that the management is science or not. Now I explain all the features one by one. Testing of a management as a science. First one is systemized body of knowledge. Systemized body of knowledge means science and management. There are two concepts, Science is based on the systemized body of knowledge. I already explained in the definition that it refers to a systemized body of knowledge that explains certain general truth. Means in science, every work will be performed in a systematic way, as well as science refers to a systemized body of knowledge which is acquired on the basis of observation, experiment and verification of this knowledge. तो साइंस तो आपकी एक सिस्टमैटिक बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज है. अब मैनेजमेंट की बात की जाए तो मैनेजमेंट के अंदर जो भी आपके मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल्स होंगे, जो भी 14 प्रिंसिपल्स है हमारे हेनरी फेयोल ने दिए हैं, या फिर टेलर के मान लो 4 प्रिंसिपल, कोई भी प्रिंसिपल है मैनेजमेंट के, वो भी एक सिस्टमैटिक वे से कंप्लीट होंगे. कहने का मतलब वेरियस टाइप के जो हमारी थ्योरी है साइंस की या हमारी नहीं मैनेजमेंट की या हमारे मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल हैं, वो सभी जो है एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल की अगर हमें नॉलेज है, हमें एक्सपीरियंस है, तभी हम उसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. और ये जो भी प्रिंसिपल्स हैं आपके मैनेजमेंट के, इनको एक पर्टिकुलर सिस्टमैटिक वे से अप्लाई किया जाएगा. तो साइंस भी सिस्टमाइज्ड बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज है, मैनेजमेंट भी सिस्टमाइज्ड बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज है. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फर्स्ट फीचर सिस्टमाइज्ड बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज, मैनेजमेंट कैन बी एक्सेप्टेड एज ए साइंस. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. Now the second one is principle based on experimentation. It is the second feature of the science. On the basis of that we test that the management is science or not. Firstly, science. Second is management. Science principle like as the physics and chemistry. These are the principles which are related to the particular subject, physics and chemistry. It is related to the science. All the principle, either it is the physics or chemistry, these are developed on the basis of the experiment as well as on the basis of the research work. After the completion of the experiment, after the completion of the research work, the science principle will be established. Science will be based on the general truth. So science principles are based on experiment. After the experiment, after the research, after the verification of this knowledge, all the principle of science is established. In the similar way, the principle of management, the management expert took many years for development of the principle of the management, as well as after the consider the problem of the management in the business organization, they will took many years for experiment to conduct very type of the research analysis, and after that our management principle come into the existence. So both, either it is science and management, both principles are based on the experiment. After the experiment, after the research, our principles are established. So on the basis of second feature, principle based on experimentation, we can accept management as a science. Now the third feature, universal validity. It is the third feature, universal validity. It means that applicable everywhere. Now testing of management as a science management. We know that both the principles, science and management, are applicable everywhere in every situation. Science principles are based on truth, as well as management principles are also based on the truth. But there is a minor difference between the management principle and the science principle. Science principles are applicable everywhere means that these are the rigid in nature, cannot be changed. It is applicable as it is, which can be formed. But management principles are not rigid, they are flexible, they can change according to the situation, according to the human nature, as well as means the principle of management can be changed according to the time, according to the situation, according to the human nature. So on the basis of this feature, there is similarity because both principles are based on truth, but the minority difference is that science principles are rigid but management principles are flexible. So on the basis of this principle, we cannot say that the management as a science. Now the conclusion is that all the three features of science cannot be accepted as a management. First feature, systemized body of knowledge. Second feature is the principle based on experiment. It can be accepted as a science, as a management, but on the third feature, universal validity, management cannot be accepted as a science. All three features are not accepted, so we can not say that management is a perfect science. हम मैनेजमेंट को परफेक्ट साइंस नहीं कह सकते, but we can say that the management is the applied science, soft science, inexact science. Management are inexact science, applied science, soft science, but management is not a perfect science. So today I discuss with you about the management, about the science on the basis of the feature of science, testing of management as a science. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.